I talked to your mom. She sounded pretty good.
Mom.
Heard the word mom.
Who's talking to you, Robin?
On Wednesday night? Before she went to surgery?
It's a big picture.
Just at home
And there's
on Wednesday
James.
night?
Hey, James, you want to sit in your chair? Look,
We got a chair for you.
your chair.
Oh, so she was just scared.
Oh, here,
feeling
sit down.
Ciao, Derby.
Sit down.
Yeah, yeah. So then did she feel like, was she sick feeling?
Oh.
Stop, there you go.
Put his cup in the cup holder.
There's, wait,
Yeah.
wait.
Well,
Look.
as
Right.
on wood, I think.
Ooh.
So.
This is the light. Try to cross the
Yeah, that's what she said. They should have told her to buy a bigger
Cross it
size
like this.
bra.
Gotta do it like this.
But, you know, surely that'll go down in just a couple of days or so.
Just like me.
I think she and your dad maybe run a little errand or something. So. I may
Don't spill.
too, so.
That's funny. Is that good?
You gotta do your leg, right?
Oh, that's right. That's what she said she did. Yeah. Yeah.
James, do this.
Well, hopefully it'll just be a matter of a few
Look like your
days.
muscles.
Yeah.
Do what he does.
One hand.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't spill.
Well,
Don't
You
spill.
know, she says she's not really taking any pain stuff except just, you know, Advil or something along those
James,
lines.
say
But I
bye-bye.
know what they told me
Bill,
like
say
not
bye-bye.
to drive after I had kids.